In this video, I am sharing some of my student daily sketching challenge works. Yes, our students, other than attending the regular classes, live classes, they also will do everyday sketching practice. We call this as a weekly sketching challenge or daily sketching challenge. I'll be sharing reference every single day, one new reference. They will sketch and they will share it with me whenever they have time. It's not mandatory, but most of our students will take this challenge works. Because why? The more the person is doing this kind of sketching consistently, automatically they can able to see their own growth, their own improvement on that work. That's one. Second one, consistency is the key more than hard work. Why? Because the effort you put regularly, definitely you will get to know more about that particular subject. Got it? And not only that, you need to turn if you want to learn any particular skills, correct? It's not only for scheduling time and sitting and learning it, correct? That is one way of doing it, correct? And the other way of doing it, the easy way of doing it, especially for the creative side, is we need to turn the learning things become our own habit of doing it. So this sketching challenge will come slowly down the line, 1 month or 2 months. This will become your own habit of sketching every day or sketching alternative days. Got it? Even though they will take some break due to the exam or other things, definitely they'll get back and they'll start sketching it. So that is what is important for learning new skills. They will learn it, they will experience it in the art areas, and same thing they also will use this. How if the student want to learn any skills, otherwise any subject or some things, the learning process need to be turned into become a habit. If anything is turned into become a habit, definitely they'll become a good at that particular areas. If you want to know more about character sketching course and the weekly sketching challenge, all the details, click the link below and learn more.